Hello, my name is Micah Huey. I'm from the 9th grade, and I'll be performing a piece called Make It True. The blossoms buzz in your ear like the roses on your knees and your cheeks. They quiver like wings bound to take flight. You fall inward. A lotus, though found, coating your dried petals because the open air feels demanding to you. Shrinking in the silent wilderness, you refuse the light, the shade from the trees, motivate you to grow because their stems weaken in pity when they see you shrink and become the silence. You turn away the praise as if it burns at your feet, and I'm left asking, as I watch you wither away from a distance. Who taught you to deny your own growth, holding back as you fall inwards, caving into your thoughts while your skin glows from the touch of the one you tried to forget, the sun? You can try to be stone, but the earth remembers your tone, knowing you were always meant to be one. Thank you.